By Soracom, and it's a hands-on event. So we're getting people to play around with Raspberry Pi. They're connecting devices and ultrasonic sensor up to the cloud, and then they're going to visualize that data through PubNub. And so they're going to get to experience for themselves how simple it is to connect a device via Soracom up to the cloud.
Hi, I'm Anastasiia, CTO and co-founder of the company Soracom. We started this service because we wanted to enable IoT innovation and accelerate them. I used to work for as a researcher, and I was working for connected car, connected home type of project, and I really needed to have devices connected to cloud environment so that I can implement intelligence on top of cloud. So the idea I got one night was, if I can combine these two experiences, we can implement telecom infrastructure on top of AWS cloud that scales horizontally, and also it's going to be a much more secure, highly available system.
And I work here at PubNub in developer relations. Basically, our mission today for this meetup is to connect Raspberry Pis to basically the PubNub network and use PubNub Functions to basically display the real-time information from the Raspberry Pis on a bar graph. It's going to be really, really cool. We're really excited. This is going to be a really fun workshop.
That any single developer, any startup, any company, no matter how large, can make a difference, can get started in IoT, and can actually use the technology to help solve real problems. I was a meetup success story. I went to a hands-on workshop with Soracom. This was a year ago maybe, and I was looking at a project, which I'll talk about. I was looking to build something, and then I met Soracom through the meetup event.
Hi, my name is Carlos. The method was amazing, so I learned new experience in the IoT field.
We used the dongle with the Raspberry Pi in order to connect the SIM card, and that was really cool because we could get real-time data into our computer.
Thank you.